We're here right now at the exhibit here at the United Nations celebrating the one-year anniversary of Haiyan. On November 8, one of the worst typhoons ever to hit the Philippines, which was a Category 5 at 300 kilometers per hour, 15-foot wave surges, has killed thousands of people from around the world. Right now, we are really just thanking everyone from around the world. How it was revolutionary to invite people to not share just funding, but really where do those funds go? How do they get transformed into shelter to stop this kind of cycle of destruction and reconstruction? And from all over the world, thousands of architects came together, and we see what we have here, which is the first step architecture and design exhibit crowdsourced from all around the world to make a difference in people's lives. Why build something that would get destroyed again when it could be better? Celebrating over here, we have had not only a successful exhibit, but really a jam-packed audience for the conference, featuring some of the top people from OOAc, from the United Nations, from MIT, and of course speakers that can talk about this alternative architecture, this alternative climate resilient architecture, basically emergency architecture, which is so well needed in the world, but unfortunately is not yet supported by architecture society in general. So this is the start of a great change, especially on architecture for people that need it most and are most vulnerable. So we'd like to thank also our sponsors, of course the ministry, the permanent ministry here at the UN of the Philippines, Portugal, of course the most important one also is Century Properties, and don't forget that this was all put together by a very innovative collaborative called Open Online Academy, which has put the platform for people to be working together online to make a difference, not in a couple of years, but to structure that seed that will make an inspiration for all architects to make a difference for the future. So we're very excited about the success of how this turned out, but also we're looking forward to more challenges where we can use this untapped energy of creation, innovation, and at the same time architects to make a big difference to society.